All of this is soaked. There's mold growing here. All of this is wet. There's mud and dirt all in my seats. There's mud all over the inside of the truck, as well as to the very tip top. The truck had just been washed before he even came and picked it up. Look at the tires. Look at the inside. The inside is covered in mildew. And dirt. I mean, if this truck wasn't submerged in water, why is there mildew all over my seats, all on the inside of my truck that was just recently cleaned beforehand? There is still water because he didn't even have the audacity to move anything that was in here. This is not, I mean, look at this truck. Look at the back. The back is covered in mud. And filled with trash. Well, none of this trash in my truck. And this is how somebody that you get a free couch for takes your vehicle. And he was even given free food. Look at my floorboard. My smell good is thrown. There's trash in my truck that was not here. I mean, he just dogged my truck. Like, who does that? There's mud all in it. What is that? Cigarettes I don't even smoke? A receipt for what? And where did that even come from?
Yeah, I'm gonna go get some stuff that I have that you can have.
I mean, there's mud all in the doors. All of this was cleaned. All of this was recently cleaned. There was none of this. I even have pictures that I recently took. And this is just ridiculous.